Hey everyone, so welcome to the last part of the mystery unboxing that I have here for you guys, and I'm wrapping up the entire set by this last three packets because I don't have a mobile stand with me right now. I just don't open this, but I'm still I just took a sneak peek at the first two packets so I know what is in them. This one I still haven't opened it, so I'll open it right in front of you. But let's quickly jump in and spot what comics are there. Disclaimer in the beginning, these are comics that I ordered during COVID, and I just got home after many months, and I'm just opening up all these packets to find out what comics are in store. So the first one we have is, of course, Dark Days: The Road to Metal. So Metal is one series which I really wanted to collect, and the reason being it's from Scott Snyder and Greg Capullo, the dynamic duo who created Batman in the New 52. I loved that series. Actually, that was the series which brought me back into comics. I read, I think, The Court of Owls, and I was like blown away. And post that I started collecting again. But anyways, Dark Days: The Road to Metal. I don't know how many of you guys have followed the event. It's a huge event in DC Universe. This is a one event which they haven't named it like a crisis event, but it is like a crisis event. It's not just a Batman story, it's the story of entire Justice League who comes together, and this is it's sort of like not the core story. That's a different book altogether, but this has a lot of tie-ins and it's a big book, right? So just showing you a few snaps of what this book contains. It's a compilation. So see here, for example, you could see Greg Capullo art. These are all, I mean, you could easily spot that this is Greg Capullo, but then there are a lot of artists and a lot of others who have, okay, this is from Batman Endgame Part 5. That's from the Batman series. So this is a collected edition which has a lot of background material which is needed for Metal. So yeah, okay, it even has stuff from the Grant Morrison run. I'm very excited to jump in and figure out what stories are there in this book. So maybe I will, yeah, this is the return of Bruce Wayne, right? I think that's where the Bat God starts following Bruce, is what I remember. And obviously the Justice League plays a very important part to all this, and this is from Final Crisis. So basically the idea is that this story draws a lot of stories from the past, right? They bring all that together in this storyline. So yeah, maybe someday I will get all the tie-ins for Metal series and then do a complete review so that you guys know exactly what it is about. And if you ask me for recommendation today, I would definitely recommend that you guys pick up Metal series. I think it's one of the best series after a long time. So that's Dark Days: The Road to Metal. Let's quickly jump into the next packet. This is a hardcover. Like I said, right, I just took a sneak peek on this, and it is again from New 52. This is Joker Endgame. That's the one, and lovely cover there with Joker sitting on top of all the bodies. It's still shrink wrapped, as you can see, and I'm not going to open it up right now, but basically I am going to show you another book. So what they did was they collected a lot of stories of these tie-ins together. It's just like this one. So this is Joker Death of the Family, and this is Joker Endgame. These are thick books, guys. So what it does is it collects all the tie-ins. Obviously Joker is the antagonist, but he tries to, I mean, he in the Death of the Family he captures all the protagonists and to take on Batman. So there is Batwoman, there is Robin, there is Nightwing, there is Red Hood. All of the characters are used by Joker in the story, and yep, that's why it's a collected edition. It's a huge collected edition, as you guys can see. and Joker Endgame is also something similar. Is what I expect it to be. Yeah, I'm a big Joker fan. I think for people who've seen my videos in the past will definitely know that. So try to always grab some of these copies, and this is just one such grab. So that's Joker Endgame for you. Well, let's now jump into this mystery. I have only torn open this much, so I don't know what is inside. But let's see if I can get my hands on it without doing too much damage to the cover. Yeah, I managed to tear it open finally. Not the best way possible, but still, it's okay. I wanted to show you guys what are this. Okay, so this is Batman Night Quest: The Search. I have a different edition of this, I think, already. So I quite forgot that I ordered this before as well. But anyways, so I'm collecting lot of old Batman runs. So this is part of the Nightfall series. I am also collecting No Man's Land. So I've got, I think, 2 or 3 volumes of No Man's Land. I've got Batman Contagion, Cataclysm I've not got yet. Grant Morrison run, I've got a lot of books. So slowly the collection is building up, so that I get almost all the essential books of Batman. And Nightfall, I think there was this are part of the 3 series: Nightfall, Night Quest, and Night's End. From what I read, Night Quest is not the most popular story, but it is essential. It has a lot of essential reading, and I have some of these things in single issues as well. I started collecting the Nightfall series in single issues, but in between I felt it was too overwhelming to collect all of them because there are so many issues. It's not easy a job to collect it. So I'm kind of like not going aggressively on it, but I started getting the trade paperback so that I can at least read the entire story. So that's Night Quest. So we have last one final book, and I can feel that it is a hardcover, and this will be the end of unboxings for me in this phase. Maybe next time I come, I don't know when I'll come back here. Maybe I'll have more things to show you guys. So it looks like a rebirth. You can see the blue and white, so definitely a rebirth. And this one is okay. So this is Batman Detective Comics, I think volume 2 is it? Looks really cool, a cover. Yeah, I think this is the deluxe edition. Yeah, volume 2, Batman Detective Comics Rebirth Deluxe Edition by Tinian the 4th, Takara and Martinez. What does it contain? The Dark Knight with Dark Pasts. League of Shadows, okay. Oh, okay. League of Shadows storyline is part of this. So I already have that as a single issue. Got it. Okay, so this has a lot of, I think it collects multiple trade paperbacks. Maybe 2 trade paperbacks are collected in this single edition. Anyways, I'm really loving it. I just love the cover as well. So we have this 3 and this one. So those are all the comics that is part of this collection. I hope you guys like this unboxing videos of mine, and if you do, please do subscribe and let me know which amongst these books do you guys want me to review next, because there are so many, even I am confused how to go about it, right? So put in your comments and your recommendations, and that's how we will start planning that out. Until next time, Godspeed.